everyone, welcome to my channel. As many of you know, Valentine's Day is coming up and I've got two simple and quick DIYs for you. The materials I got for these DIYs are things I got from Dollarama and Michael's, so it's nothing super hard to get your hands on. These DIYs are also very easy to make, so for all you last minute gift givers out there, you know, this girl can be one of them. This is perfect for you. And what a good way to ring in, you know, a happy Valentine's Day than with something that's made from the heart. So let's get started.
You will need a picture frame, cardstock paper or construction paper, stickers, sticky notes, and double-sided tape. Start by taking your picture frame apart. Next, take your paper and measure where you would like to have the paper show in your frame. You can play around and adjust as you'd like. Use the side of the paper that you won't see and measure the backing of the picture frame on the paper and cut. This will make sure that your paper will fit back into the picture frame without any problem. Once the paper is cut, place the paper back into the picture frame, good side showing up. Take your stickers next and place the sticker you want for your centerpiece in the middle of the paper. Take your sticky notes next. I found these super cute Valentine's ones at Dollarama. And here is where you want to write any notes that you want. This could be for your significant other, or even your friends or family. If the sticky note is too big, you can cut the note smaller and use the double-sided tape to secure it. Once your notes are all written, place the backing of the picture frame back on. You can put the glass back into the picture frame as well, or leave it as it is. And there you have it, a simple and thoughtful gift. For this next project, you'll need a wood board, paint. I decided to go with this brown wooden color, paint brushes, clothespins, jute rope, and photos of your choice. Start by painting your wood board. You can paint the whole board or do a gradient effect, or honestly, whichever way you want your final look to be. After you've painted your board, take the rope and measure out 2 identical strands. The rope should be long enough so that you can tie a double knot at the back. Once you've cut your rope, wrap it around the board and tie a double knot. You will do the same with the second piece as well. You can adjust how the rope looks from the front afterwards. Cut the extra rope at the back of the board. You can also use a glue gun and glue the rope at the knots and the corners of the rope so it will stay in place. Take your clothespins and pin them onto the rope as you'd like. Sort your photos next. If you have any photos that may be too big, give the sides a trim until it's the right size, and use the clothespins to clip them into place. I had stickers left from the last DIY, so I added these for an extra touch. And there we go, a picture board worth 1,000 memories. I just love how simple and thoughtful these gifts are, and perfect for Valentine's Day and any occasion. Hope you guys like these ideas. Don't forget to click like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.